Welcome. If you want to take screenshot without using physical buttons in Samsung Galaxy S8, you can make it by swiping your palm from one of the edge, like from the left one, for example. As you can see, the screenshot was taken. And if you want to enable this option, take a look. You have to simply go for the settings, find advanced features, go for the motion and gestures, and here you'll find palm swipe to capture. So one more time, just swipe with your hand, and there it is. Here when you open it, this feature, you will also find the preview of this feature, how to properly use this option. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.